Hey y'all, welcome back to Amber's Diamond Painting. This is Amber, this is me, and I'm gonna do a few unboxings. These aren't brand new. If you watched my previous video, my whip and chat, and showing you what I had finished, I got my feeding tube, October 1st. So I've been off work and I just started going back to work last week on Monday. And so I haven't had the money to purchase any new ones. I do have a few that I would like to get. Maybe I'll get them. But I got way too many down paintings, y'all. For everybody new, it won't be right away, but I was just wondering if you would like me to do another what's in my stash video. I've got a few ideas of some upcoming videos that I want to do, but let's get to it. This one is Steadfast Heart. It's so pretty. Sorry y'all, I forgot to turn the light on. But this is what it is. And it's by Million Art LLC. And it's a round diamond painting. If you're new, if you ever see the stripes and they're pink or this, that means it's a round diamond painting. Okay, let's get into it. And then these, all her images always have the Million Art Institute on there. Okay. How's everybody doing? I hope you're all having a wonderful morning, day, night, wherever it is, wherever you're from. Whatever time it is, wherever you're from. And this always comes with this cool little thing. I picked this. There we go. Oh, my little sticker. So I always get the little sticker that you can put in a journal, or some people will put it, you know, on the side of the box, bottom of the box, wherever, so they know, however you stack them, so that they know what diamond painting it is without having to go through them all. I wish I had done that. Okay, so this is just Discover Your Inner Artist, and it just gives you some information. It's really awesome. They're very passionate about taking their artists to the next level. And then here's this. That's a pretty image. Oh my goodness. I love every single one of her paintings. Okay. Okay, Amber, don't go crazy. Be soft. Be gentle. I am so glad I'm back, y'all. So you always get your step-by-step instructions. And if you're new, I'll just go over it. It gives you some tips and tricks, like use dryer sheets if there's static drills. Use a checkerboard method, a multiplacer, and work in sections or color blocks. That's what that is. And then, oh, mine got all bent. That's okay. Here is the sticker sheet. It's the sticker sheet, inventory, legend, whatever you want to call it. And it has start date, end date, and the picture. And then these are already perforated so that you don't have to cut them. We used to have to cut them all out and everything. But we have 66 colors. And it looks like 3 ABs. So with Diamond Art Club, anything below 150 is the AB. And I will show you the ABs and where they go. I'm excited to see this one. So with poured glue, which Diamond Art Club is always poured glue, and it has soft, velvety, not really velvety, but just such a soft, like a pillow backing. And some people think it's just for the feel and to make it nice, but it's to help preserve the canvas and to help help preserve the canvas and bring out the colors better. It's a tarpaulin. Okay, so you just roll it back a little bit like that. This is a round, so it's gonna look a little bit weird, but I promise y'all it's gonna be amazing. I am going to be at my desk really soon again. I just need to get it all organized. Okay, so here is the painting. If you see anything like this, don't worry, those are not bubbles. So there is the tiger. Here's her face. This is gonna be gorgeous. It is pretty confetti heavy. There is a little bit of color blocking, but there's a lot of confetti, and that means that you have to change up colors a lot, which is okay. Rounds go by pretty quick. Here's the roses, different flowers. I love roses, I love flowers. I got lots of tattoos of different flowers. And roses are very important to me. I got that from my grandpa. Okay, so, see, the end result will look like this. I know you don't think that by just looking at this, because, like I said, rounds, they look a little weird at first. And it says, "Do It Makes You Sparkle" on top. Right here. Diamond Art Club. We have the scalloped edges so that it doesn't fray. We have a legend right here on the top left and bottom right. We always have it top left, bottom right. And then down here we have the thumbnail, which tells us the name of the painting, and Demetria Million, I can't say it, Million, and then licensed through them and Diamond Art Club. And right here, if you ever get a partial, this is the pasting area, it'll show like where the partial drills go. That's their thumbnail. And then let me show you. Let's see here. The drill field. Very clear. Never had an issue. I don't know if you can see the sparkle in that canvas, but in the glue, it's amazing. Can't really see it, can you? There we go. You can see it right through here a little bit. And very, very sticky, y'all. If you ever let it, if it ever gets like aired out or anything like that, all you have to do is use a baby wipe and just wipe it, and it'll become really sticky again, like it's brand new. Okay, bring it back out. Alright, I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to show you the drills. Sorry, it's been a long time since I've done an unboxing, so please bear with me. It has been quite the adjustment going back to work, y'all. It's been very hard. Y'all, don't you think Diamond Art Club needs to teach us how to do this? Because I don't know how they do this so well. I have tried. I've even like took them apart like this very carefully, and I can never get it. Okay. So, sorry. Zoom you in. We got 413, which is a dark gray. If you hear that noise, that's my pump for my feeding tube. 321, which is a pretty red. We got some purple. We have some light pinky peach. We got 666, which is a beautiful bright red. We got some dark green. Is that green? Yeah, dark green. We got some more purple. We got a brown. Some more purple. I guess I don't like a lighter purple. I guess I don't need to tell you all the DMC codes. You can see them. Got lots of pretty colors. This looks dark, but it's actually really light. It's like a light pinky peach. And it looks yellow. Here is our first AB. And AB is Aurora Borealis. And what that means is it has, see how that shimmers different than any of the other drills? Like these shimmer really nice, but this has an extra coating on top that just brings out, especially the white ones, brings out all the colors in the rainbow. And then when put next to other drills, it just brings out those colors even more and makes them pop. So I love using ABs, and I'm always blinging up my canvases. 550, that is such a pretty purple. That's another pink, looks orange. Another brown. This is one of my favorites to use for ABs. You wouldn't think so with this type of brown, light brown color, but I love the AB for this. Got some gray. And then this is my favorite also, 814. It's like a deep burgundy. 2 bags of that. Some dark brown. Some grays. Dark blue. Got another burgundy-ish. The other one was 814, this is 815. Then we got black. So we got 1, 2, 3 black bags of black. Got 318. Gray. So our other 2 ABs are going to be very small amounts, which makes me very, very sad. I hate it when they do that. I truly do. Like, if you're gonna give us ABs, give us ABs. Okay, green. This is such a pretty, like a turquoise kind of deep green. Some dark brown, lighter brown. We've got some orange, more green, pretty dark blue. Got a pretty coral color, pretty hot pink, light pink, that's kind of more a little hot pink, like a pretty really pretty green. A deeper coral. Ooh, that's such a pretty green. I love that. I got some gray. That's a pretty color. Wish it would come out the way I see it. Brown. Some light pinky purple. This is brown. Light brown. It looks kind of yellow. It's not. Some dark blue. And some more gray. Yeah, it's going to be very, very little ABs. Which, if you're looking to get more ABs, I always suggest shimmering canvases. That's where I get mine. And I absolutely love it. Here, seriously. Wow. That's a gorgeous color that I've never had before. But look how little we get. That's probably going to go in one little spot. Probably an eyeball. Oh, there's our... That's sad, y'all. This makes me angry. It's orange. Okay, we got some more dark gray, peach, some orangey color, blue, gray, pink, blue, like a mustardy color, blue, got cream, like a light navy green. Oh, there we go. See, now you could probably see them better. I love 917. It's such a vibrant color. Brown. Ooh, that's a pretty green. Some more brown. All the colors, let's look. The most we had was the white. And it wasn't even that crazy of amount. And that's number 3 that we're looking for. So what I'm going to do is go... So we're looking for 1, 2, and 3. 1 is that little tiny bit of blue, and 2 is that orange, 3 is the white. So I'm going to roll this up, and then I'm going to go... There we go. Okay. So let me just find the ABs. I need a pointer. We got some right here on the tiger's ear. Some through here. Through here. Some through here. Here. Got some through here. Some right here. All around here. We've got some down here. Throughout here. Inner eyes. And the tiger's eye. I think I said down here, right? Some right through here. Right here. Some through here. We do got quite a bit of the white, which is good because we don't have hardly any of the other. White through this rose right through here. That's gonna be gorgeous. White right here, through here, and that's it for the white that I can see. Okay. Number 1. This is going to be very hard to find, I believe, because... Okay, maybe not. It's right in through here. Right through here. It's probably going to use up all that little tiny bit of AB that we got. Okay, now the orange is going to be right down here. All right here. Sorry. Right there. And I don't imagine it could be any other place because there was hardly any. But don't worry. I'm going to bling this out when I get to it. It's so pretty. I'm excited to do it. What do y'all think? Did you get it? Do you want it? Are you going to get it? Let me know in the comments below, please. If you do like this video, if you like the content, please give me a like. And also, please comment. Lots of people aren't getting notifications. And then also, YouTube will delete you. And since I haven't been on and you haven't been able to watch anything, you please check to see if you're still subscribed. I love each and every one of you. Thank you so much for all of your kind words. And y'all are just so sweet to me. And you truly make it worth doing this. And I don't know what I'd do without you guys. Let's get to 800 subs to give another giveaway. It's going to be amazing. Hopefully I can get to 1,000 by within a couple months or so. Hopefully in 2022, after almost 2 years of being on YouTube, I'll finally hit 1,000. But again, thank you guys so much. Shimmering canvases, I do have a code. I just don't know it yet. It was working and then it wasn't working, so she was gonna fix it. She hasn't told me yet, but once she does, I'll give that to you. I'm an affiliate with Crafties. I will give my information so you can get money off. If you do use my code, I do get a little bit of money. Also, I am an affiliate with Diamond Art Club. I really don't put my link or anything. If anybody wants to donate to the channel, because I used to do Ko-Fi, like buy me a coffee, but, yeah, yeah. But if you want to donate, it is, my PayPal. I'll put my PayPal information. Please don't think me mentioning this is asking for it, but it does truly help, because trying to get the canvases to show and the trays and everything and the pens and the different waxes to show y'all and everything like that, it does cost a lot, and it just helps. Even if it's $1, it helps, and every single penny goes directly back into the channel. And like I said, I'm definitely not, it's not obligated. It's just very, 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 very appreciated, especially the times now that I've been going through. Thank you guys so much again, and I'll be doing another unboxing. I hope you enjoyed this. Okay, bye guys. Love y'all.